Hey, my favorite 21st centuryers. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you had a nice weekend and first couple days back in your virtual classrooms. I'm going to continue with our reading comprehensions. So today we're going to talk about the camping trip. Have any of you gone camping before? In the summer, I actually live at a camp, so I get to have campfires every single night. I love camping. So in this story that I'm going to read, I need you to listen for these 4 questions and make sure you write your answers down, okay? Number 1, what did Lily and Mom do when Ryan and Dad set up the tent? 2, what did they all cook over the bonfire to eat for dinner? 3, what did Lily get out for dessert? And 4, what is Lily and Ryan's favorite part of camping? Lily and her brother Ryan went camping with their mom and dad. Ryan and Dad set up the tent, while Lily and Mom collected sticks to start the bonfire. Once the tent was set up, they started a fire in the bonfire pit. Lily and Ryan looked for long, pointy sticks to use for cooking hot dogs over the fire while the fire was heating up. They found 4 perfect sticks, 1 for each of them. Lily and Ryan and their mom and dad each placed 2 hot dogs on their sticks. They held the hot dogs over the fire and turned the sticks slowly so every side of the hot dog was cooked. Then they put the hot dogs into the buns and added ketchup and mustard. The hot dogs were delicious. After they all enjoyed their hot dogs, Lily got out the marshmallows for dessert. They all roasted marshmallows over the fire until the marshmallows turned a nice shade of brown. Then they popped the yummy treats into their mouth. Sitting around the bonfire and eating marshmallows is Lily and Ryan's favorite part of camping. So here's the family making their hot dogs over the bonfire. Right? They sleep in tents. Looks like they're in the woods. The moon is out. I love hot dogs over the fire. So let's think about the answers. What did Lily and Mom do while Ryan and Dad set up the tent? What did they all cook over the bonfire to eat for dinner? Think about the picture. What did Lily get out for dessert? And what is Lily and Ryan's favorite part of camping? All right, so make sure you write down your answers and bring them with you. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.